In this video, I'm going to solve 4 questions about circumference and rotations. So let's begin. A bicycle tire has a diameter of 62 centimeters. What is the distance the bicycle tire travels in 10 revolutions? Okay, round your answer to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so the diameter is 62 centimeters, which means the radius is 31 centimeters because the radius is half the diameter. 10 revolutions. So we need to know the circumference and multiply it by 10. Okay, so the circumference, which is 1 revolution, is 2 pi r or 62 times pi. Okay, so 62 times pi equals, okay, so 195, because we need to round it up to the nearest centimeters. So 195. This is 1 revolution. And 10 revolutions is 1950 or 1950 centimeters. Okay, 1950. Yeah. So 62 is the diameter, which is 2 pi. 2 radius, twice the radius is the diameter, which is 62, times pi equals 194 times 10, which is 10 revolutions. Okay, so 1948. The second hand on a clock is 8 centimeters long. What is the distance the tip of the second hand travels in 10 minutes? Okay, so if this is the clock, let's say this is the second hand, okay, so in 1 minute it's 8 centimeters long, so in 1 minute the distance it travels is the circumference of the circle. So in 1 minute the circumference is 2 pi r, so the circumference is 2 pi times the radius, which is 8, assuming that the second hand goes all the way from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. So the circumference is 16 pi. This is for 1 minute. So I need to multiply it by 10 to know the second hand travels in 10 minutes. Okay. So in 1 minute, it goes 16 times pi. Okay, so this is the distance for 1 minute. I need to multiply it by 10. So it's 503. If I round it to the nearest centimeter. 503. Stan drove 3,500 meters to the grocery store. The tires on his truck are 2.2 meters in circumference. How many rotations did each tire make on Stan's drive? Okay, so each revolution of a tire, let's say this is the tire, each revolution gives us 2.2 meters, and we have a total of 3,300 meters. So the number of rotations is the total of distance divided by the circumference. Okay, let's try to do it in long division. So 3,300 divided by 2.2. The same thing as we need to shift the decimal point to get a divisor without decimal point. So we add here 1 0. 22 goes into 33 one time. 1 times 22 is 22. The difference is 11, bring down 0. 5 times 22 is 110. 5 5 times 20 is 100, 5 times 2 is 10, so no remainder. Bring down to 0, 0, bring down to 0, 0. So 1500 rotation. And each tire made the same number of rotation because they're all revolving at the same time. Okay. A wet bicycle tire leaves a trace of water on the floor. The tire has a radius of 30 centimeters and the bicycle wheel makes 3 full rotations before stopping. Okay, how long is the trace of water left on the floor? Round your answer to the nearest centimeter. So 1 rotation is the circumference of the tire. So this is the tire. So the radius is 30. So the 1 rotation will leave trace of the length of the circumference, which is 2 pi r. So the circumference is 2 pi times the radius, which is 30. So the circumference is 60 pi. So 1 rotation will leave a trace which is 60 pi in length. 60 pi is 60 times pi, and we need to multiply it by 3 full rotations, so times 3, 565, and we need to round the answer to the nearest centimeter, so we round it down. Okay, so 565. Good. Thank you for watching. Since I had one mistake, I will do this practice again in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video.